It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. Final message from Shiba Inu CEO to all Shib holders. Modern Shiba Inu headlines. The burn rate of the meme coin increased according to the Shiba Inu burn data page. The humor coin Shiba Inu is now following in the footsteps of its rival Dogecoin, thanks to a number of positive triggers that have driven up its price. Presented in this video is the CEO of Shiba Inu's parting message with all Shib holders. Modern Shiba Inu headlines. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get the video started. The burn rate spiked dramatically, according to Shib Burn, the portal that keeps track of specific facts about Shiba Inu burns. Over the last day, the burn rate of Shiba Inu tokens increased by 443%, reaching 14,089,818 Shib. More than 410 trillion Shib have been burned since the start of the Shiba Inu burn implementation. Among the addresses that increased the burn rate, the one with roughly 12.75 million Shib tokens burnt the most. According to data from a crypto intelligence platform that is integrated into the block, Shiba Inu has achieved a new milestone with its greatest percentage of long-term investors. An all-time high of 42% of traders now have Shiba Inus in their portfolios. Mid-term traders and speculators that hold Shiba Inus for short-term profit-taking have seen a fall in the percentage of these individuals. Among Shiba Inu token holders, 42% have kept their coins for more than a year, 55% for less than a year, and 3% for less than a month. Additionally, there is a surge in high-value sales totaling $100,000. An increase in on-chain activity was indicated by the $466.79 million worth of Shiba Inu that was traded by whales and large wallet investors. The majority of Shiba Inu owners seem to be optimistic, according to Into the Block. After reviewing the Shib price chart, crypto trader and analyst CryptoFabric stated that a confirmation of a descending channel upward breakout has been made. Shiba Inu has a breakout, and there is substantial bullish volume to support it. Thus, Fabric anticipates a Dogecoin-style surge for the Joecoin. After maintaining a solid base for some time, Shiba Inu might hit zero shortly. The cryptocurrency market is now experiencing a bear rally, but Shib has started a spectacular bullish trend that will help the Dogecoin alternative in the days to come. Shiba Inu has discovered a level of resistance at $0.27, which is assisting the cryptocurrency in choosing an upward trajectory. The Shiba Inu has been named the most successful dog breed of 2021. Shiba's staggering 45 million % growth from the beginning of the year at 0.73 through the end of the year at 0.733 is mind-boggling. The price of Shiba Inu has fallen 63% since hitting a record high in October. Even when Dogecoin surpassed a Shib to become the top cryptocurrency, the notorious Shib army continued to believe in the digital token. Those who hung on to Shiba Inu in the hopes of a bull run are finally starting to see some positive signs. The present reversal from the resistance level may encounter rejection as it approaches a falling triangle. Predictions, however, indicate that Shiba should have no trouble overcoming the rejection and doing admirably over the next days. Several factors contribute to the expansion of Shiba Inu, such as their widespread adoption, ease of use, price increases, etc. Investors in cryptocurrencies were able to utilize Ethereum for everyday transactions, which contributed to its rise in popularity. The same holds true for Shib. It might become more competitive with additional listings on crypto exchanges and participation in top platforms like Robinhood. After being added to Binance and OKX, the price of Shib skyrocketed in May 2021, resulting to its placement on Coinbase Global. In subsequent years, Shib owes a great deal to the petition that sought to get it added to Robinhood. The rise of Shiba Inu, in contrast to other cryptocurrencies, is heavily reliant on the so-called whales. As of October 2021, 8 whales held 70% of the Shiba Inu, which was 41% of the total supply, according to the research. The value of Shib will be greatly affected by any changes to those wallet addresses. Although Shiba Inu's creators first intended for it to be a parody of Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency quickly gained support among investors and saw its utility expanded. More and more businesses are starting to take Shiba Inu as a form of payment these days. Launching in late 2020, Shiba Inu has added even more intrigue to the meme coin race. Shiba Inu was an unplanned experiment on the community-driven initiative, says its anonymous developer Ryoshi. Attempting to depose Dogecoin and replace it with Shiba Inu as the leading meme coin for investors, this is a park piece. People have started calling Shiba Inus the Dogecoin killer because of this. Although Shiba Inu was second in line after Dogecoin for 2021's greatest meme coins, its search volume reached over 21,000% at the peak of the price increase, making it a top pick. But Shiba Inu isn't trying to become the most popular dog breed in the world through sheer publicity. To maintain the project's relevance and attract investors, the Shiba team has been consistently releasing new use cases. Exploration of the metaverse is one of the more recent examples. An announcement regarding the introduction of Shiba Land's virtual real estate was made in a blog entry on the Shiba Inu website. Multiple cryptocurrency news and prediction websites have Shiba price predictions that lean in the bullish side. Due to this, Shiba is a great choice for both experienced and newbie traders and investors. The Shiba Inu currency, Shiba, is a promising investment opportunity, so let's examine its many benefits in detail. As a trader or investor, knowing the price of a crypto trading asset is crucial, since it allows you to use percentage change to forecast the potential gains you could earn in the asset based on the quantity of coins purchased. If a Shiba ever reaches 0 ton 40, you will experience a 100% return at this price. Contrast this with investing in Bitcoin or Ether. The latter two are worse. The price of Ether is currently at $2,400. For the price to retest $4,800 and allow you to quadruple your money, massive investor interest is required. Also, at its present price of about $36,600, Bitcoin would need to climb to a new all-time high of $73,200 before its traders and investors would experience a return of 100%. If one were to apply basic mathematics, it would be more feasible for Shiba's price to increase by a factor of 2, 3, or 4 in the near and distant future than for Bitcoin, the pioneer of the blockchain and cryptocurrency, or Ethereum, the token underlying the pioneer of smart contracts. A trader can expect to spend 0 ton 40 on $100, 0 ton 40 on 1,000 sheeps, 0 ton 40 and 1,000 sheeps, $2 on 100,000 sheeps, and $20 on 1,000 sheeps, and $20 on 1,000 sheeps. In other words, if you were to spend over $100, you'd end up with almost 5 million sheeps. Huge earnings of almost 5 million JPOs might be yours if SHIB eventually hits 1 ton 40. Digital Coin Price predicts that Shiba's price will rise in the near and distant future due to increased interest in the digital currency due to its cheaper price. The experts predict that by the end of 2022, Shiba might be trading at 0.000000000. Shiba Inu coin, according to Crypto Portal's technical analysis, might hit new highs by 2025, with average prices of $0.0000047, Shiba ton for $20 in 0.0000005 days of 2028. Of D4s, invitational. On average, experts predict that by the end of 2022, Shiba Inu coin could be worth $0.0000058 with a low of $0.00045 and a high of $0.00078. By the year's end 2023, the lowest, and most probable prices for Shiba in a coin trade are 0.0000000002025 and 0.000000000 coin. And our huge the inspirational thriving fortune kids. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.